Alright, extract number 24.5. We're going to make 10. Open bias a little bit. Now, so after we check this, okay, so what I'm going to do, this is already extracted, so we just add a little bit more. I don't think we need a lot of pink, which is I'm going to little decrease it, we'll see. And then this is the longer, this is the shorter, so either one, so I have to make it slightly out. Usually, so we have to make them more out. 29 slightly, or maybe this is the shorter. And this is temporary. Local color is good. This is okay. Alright, so we can print it after we check those. So this is the occlusion view, so we're trying to add more thicker. Like I said, I do not need any lingual aesthetic because this is a temporary, so I add more here, add more there. Yep. Let me see the other side. You see, here is really tucked in, so make out. The cusp is out. No, this one, cusp is out and longer. Yeah. All right, and good. And here, occlusion view. You see that I want smooth those areas, especially here. It's extremely thin. Add thicker because this is temporary. I don't want to break it. Here is more thicker. Way thicker is okay. Here especially more thicker. Yep. So after print it from the design, like this. You just put it, shooting, doesn't fit. So I can grind just a little bit, but almost down. Like I said, we grind it quite a bit. Try the grinding the underneath to rely the doctor. Okay? So we are not same track, but I'm trying to give them more room. So I'm going to grinding here and then get rid of the old not only fitting, and then we check the contouring from the design. Okay, first I can remove it and then try to fit it, and then make more the line, and then I can find a picture of the face in the next video. Okay, so after I cut it, trying to make the compensation on this girl. I have to make it a little bit round looking, just like curly looking, and trying to bring it in that area, match the same golden proportion from the canine to canine. Let's smooth a little bit, and then lateral as well. Remember, this is temporary, so I have to make it a little bit thicker. Because the fracture, which is nobody like that, and also we have to make the good contouring, especially this. I wish I can get. Here's this lack of space, and here is the extended tool. Same thing here. not really worry about here. Thin already. Now this guy using that one, and then make more, just a little bit more defined from the inside to corner. See, like already around it. This, that one, that look more deformly looking. Okay. Once I set up the central, then move to the lateral. Same thing. All the time contour from lingual side. Make a little bit more grinding towards it visually. Then I can decrease the width just like number 7. Same as number 6 is 11. Alright. So now this one we're going to finish it soon. After that you can fit it like this here. Fitting. And then we can make the fiber all back. Right, this is temporary from the print. Okay, this is the after put the fiber underneath, and then the 24-25 is we're going to extract it. The doctor we're going to extract it, and then we make the good prototypes about the design of the tools for the provisioner. So this is what look like, and see the ore inside has a fiber. Okay. Which is I show you the video, and doctor have to grind a little bit more the occlusion area, which is this is my prep, and then this is the we don't think we need a pink porcelain pink aesthetic. We'll see. I'm going to put a little bit of a pink aesthetic anyway. This is too bright, so we're going to put some gradient composite along with the optic glaze. We just mimic it, we touch up a little bit more. Okay, stay tuned. Ready to put the optic glaze, and then we extend it with the Kahng tissue, and first we put the foundation glaze, and then after that we're going to put some little characteristic in between teeth. Apply the warm color from cervical area toward the incisor. And now also apply the blue and white. Halo effect. plus orange color, dark glaze liquid. It's almost done. Now it's ready to cure. So always remember, whenever you like cure, it's getting darker than what we had. Just make sure the inventory color is pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, put it in here. Yep. Nice. So it's gonna look like. After this, we can get it. So I'm going to close the door. Okay, this is the finals from long span temporary cases, and with the lower teeth we made a printed, and then trying to bring it in the class 1 bite, and then decrease inside the edge, and also we put the gum so it protected the lip support, and then we utilize it optic glazes more, and so you can see the huge gap in that area, okay, especially your bone long, and then we grind it as much as possible. This one I did not put any fiber, but this one I put the fiber underneath, and then finally finish it and send it to these patients. From this picture, so we change it from the upper, okay, and the lower as well. So now the Dr. John Vargas turns, okay. The only thing is the occlusions, you have to grind a little bit more than he thinks to get the more room. All right.
Subscribe to Luke Kahn's Patreon for ongoing training for dental technicians, lab owners, and aspiring lab owners, as well as education from a lab side for dentists. For just $25 a month, you can train with Luke online via live video, live chat, Q&A sessions, and ongoing dialogues on Patreon. Additionally, dentists can get valuable information from a lab side perspective on live, ongoing cases that Luke Kahng is presently working on in his laboratory. Subscribe today